So I just finished printing and cutting these little Tom Nook stickers, and I also made these Animal Crossing backing cards for the actual sticker packs, and they fit perfectly in my little bags. It's been a while, so I am planning to restock with new sticker packs soon, and I'm very excited. So yeah, there will be a lot of that this week. So I have been slaving away at making stickers, as you guys can see. I've made some jumbo stickers as well. I haven't even like put on makeup or anything. I just got changed and had a nice big nutritious breakfast and all that so that I can get to work on all of this.
Very nice. The texture is nice. It's like a natural addition. Looks like a matte, like coated. So I love the way and they can be really.
This is the aftermath of filming. I also posted this Draw This in Your Style for 2,000 followers on my art Instagram, and you guys are submitting such cute drawings. I love it. I love seeing people interpret my drawings. I think Draw This in Your Style challenges are really cool. So I left my house to go to Daiso, and in my defense, I have been sticking to this stay-at-home order very well and very extremely, and so has my whole family. Like I started mine March 14th and it is now April 22nd, so I haven't left my house. The only time I left my house was to drop off a package. So I have not left my house. I mean, I've gone out on walks, but I have not gone out to like public places. So I've been doing really well with that. And I just thought it was finally time to go out and leave the house. And I wanted to take my sister with me because, you know, she hasn't left the house at all. So, you know, it was just kind of like an experience for us to go out. We wore masks, we wore gloves, everything that I bought is disinfected. Like everywhere that I touched, I was touching with like one hand. Like I was doing the whole thing, and there was only like 2 people in the whole store. So I am being very responsible. And I have this haul for you guys, a small Daiso haul. Firstly, I got plushies because I am a child and I have an addiction to plushies, but I got this yellow one and this purple one. Feel free to judge me, I hoard plushies, okay? And probably the only necessity, not even necessity, but like probably the only thing that is like actually useful in this whole haul is this watering can. The one that I have is pretty bulky and like large and heavy, so this one is nice and compact, and like the little spout doesn't have like the little rainy thing. So I just, with the other one, a lot of water spills out of it, so this one's more handy and compact. I got these 2 washi tape dispensers because I had never seen these at Daiso and I thought they were very cute. This, like, what are these called? Snap peas, green peas? This pea pen, because I have the carrot one somewhere, but I have the carrot one, and this one is very cute as well. I got quite a few washi tapes that I had never seen there before. And also I gave most of my washi tape collection to my sister because I feel like she takes advantage of like the variety of stationery a lot more than I do. I tend to stick to my favorites and kind of want to continue with those, so I'm down to just one little drawer box of washi tape and then like a couple of my favorites up at my desk. So I got these sets. This is like a ninja set. I got this bunny set, which is so, like, they have this series of like different breeds of animals. Like this one is of different bunny breeds. So the bottom one has all the bunny breeds and the top one just has little bunnies. And then this one is of cats. And this one is of dogs. But yeah, those were very cute. And then I got this set of like fast food and desserts. And this set of like different foods at the top and then fruits at the bottom. Like the top one, it has like shrimp, little rice balls, fried chicken, stuff like that. And then I got a few sticker sheets. I got some dog ones. I got these, which I thought were super cute. It has like wombats and fennec foxes and owls, like kind of like forest animals, I guess. And then this one that has like a little animal faces, and this one which is of cats. And then finally the last washi tape is like this spring washi tape, and it has like bunnies, chicks, and carrots and stuff on it. So yeah, that is my Daiso haul. So I have baked all my little children, and now it is time to sand them because I can never get these things perfectly smooth, but the sanding will make them as close as possible, and then the resin at the very end will smooth out any bumps.